You started your business so that you would be in control of your own work-life balance. Now you find yourself working all day, all night, and on weekends. Are you working too much? Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
We have Dave Kramer, the founder of All Pro Web Tools.
Dave has worn many hats over the years as a small business owner.
Well, I really feel that small business is the core of the American economy.
Amen.
So how many hours should you work? Why is it in the US we have a standard 40-hour work week? In the Philippines, the standard work week is 48 hours, 6 days a week. And then there's a book by Tony Ferris claiming a 4-hour work week. Some millionaires spend all day on a yacht or a golf course. What if you worked 80 hours in 1 week, then took the entire next week off? Would that be balance? I grew up in Northern California, the Bay Area, and on a visit to San Francisco, I met an incredible entrepreneur. See this guy here in the blue shirt? He looks pretty tough. I wouldn't recommend messing with him. So here's this bush growing out of the sidewalk. Do you see any other plant life in this shot anywhere? It's completely ridiculous, yet goes unnoticed. You can see from the smiles on the faces, he is bringing joy into people's lives. He doesn't do this to pregnant women, and if someone is older, he uses a gentler approach. What is his product? His product is laughter and joy.
Hello guys, I'm the Bushman of San Francisco, your worst nightmare, a black man behind the bush. Where can I do that where there's a lot of people looking? And the next day I came out and that's how Bushman was born.
I'm definitely.
It's about 69 to 73,000 a year.
Just from doing out.
Just from doing this.
Whoever imagined you could make a living shaking a bush? What are his cost of goods? What is his marketing budget? Does he have a logo? Does he have a website? He doesn't need to hire employees. What, are you going to pitch this idea on Shark Tank? Are you going to create a business plan?
Yeah, how are you?
In 2014, he passed away at the age of 60. He held a bush for over 30 years, and I assume he lived a happy life, sitting outside in the fresh air, interacting with people and making them smile.
Welcome to San Francisco.
Could you make a living shaking a bush? Would you be happier if you did? It's interesting that Henry Ford implemented the 40-hour work week back in 1926. But it was much later in the US when it was actually made into a law in 1940. I filmed a video on this subject a few years back when I was visiting one of my clients in Hawaii. Take a look. What really is work-life balance? Is it working half of the day and living your life the other half of the day? I've been spending time with Steve Fraley, and he's a farmer. He wakes up early, works all morning, works all afternoon. He still has to do marketing, still has to take care of his employees, and he goes to bed tired. Where's the work-life balance? He told me that he loves what he does. And if he didn't love what he did, he wouldn't do it. And that's part of why he's been successful, because he focuses so much of his time and energy on what he does. I think about this restaurant. It's obviously run by a family. Where's the work-life balance? Well, the family gets to spend all day together, working together, and they're doing something they're passionate about.
You think about YouTube channel, the Shaytards, where's their work-life balance? All they do is videos of themselves living their lives. That's an interesting work-life balance. They get paid to live their life. They make over $1 million a year. And then I think of Tony Hawk. When I was in school, there were kids that liked to ride skateboards, and I remember the teachers saying, you know, you got to stop playing with your skateboards and study so that you can get a real job. Tony Hawk rides skateboard, and that's all he has to do. He makes a ton of money. What is work-life balance? I love what I do, and I think that if you do what you love, you'll always love what you do. And if you love what you do, you can be successful at it. I spent 5 long years building all pro web tools, and I didn't get a paycheck for 5 years. 16-hour days, 6 days a week. I didn't think I could do any more. 16 hours a day, 6 days a week. So many people told me I was unbalanced. Well, am I being unbalanced now? I'm having the time of my life. And this is some really good food. Where's the balance? Where's the work-life balance? Maybe you work 5 years, 16 hours a day, 6 days a week. And then the next 5 years, you play 16 hours a day, 6 days a week. Is that balance? Works for me. This morning I was sitting on the beach watching crabs crawl around in the sand. And they would scurry a little bit, find a little something to eat, pick it up, scurry a little more, find something else to eat. It was very good. Thank you. And I'm wondering, where's the work-life balance? All they do is scavenge for food. And then they go to sleep and they wake up and they do it again. I also swam with some fish. They were doing the same thing, looking for food and trying not to get eaten themselves. Where's the work-life balance? I think back to the settlers who came across on the Oregon Trail. They had a really hard life where they were coming from, and then they traveled over that trail and they were working the whole way. And then when they got to their destination, there was more work to do. I just don't understand work-life balance. It's kind of been a pattern with me. Each business that I start, I get it to a level of success, and then I sell it or I exit some way. Work really hard in the business, several years. My friends don't see me for a while. And then I'm on their doorstep every day saying, let's go do something, I'm bored. Because I've exited and I've got time on my hands. Is that work-life balance? Work a couple of years, take a couple of years off, and then work again, take another couple of years off. Works for me.
As an entrepreneur myself, I have worked many hours. The benefit of all this for me has been the variety of places I've been, the people I've met, interns I have trained, and the opportunities of freedom that this has provided in my life. I just can't see my life any other way. Another benefit is that I have built a company, a machine, that can now largely run without my involvement. I have a more passive income that allows me to pursue other businesses and goals such as Dave Talks Business. If you're watching my channel, I have the same hope for you. Most of this is made possible by implementing solid standard operating procedures, hiring the right team, and maintaining oversight on your business without micromanaging. There are videos on all of these topics on my YouTube channel. Stick with me as I guide you through the course of self-employment. It is a worthwhile journey, and once you understand the formula, I am sure you will never want to go back to working for someone else. Hey, thanks for watching. So how did I do? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have an idea for a video I should do in the future, you can put that in the comments too. I also have a free small business resource toolkit available on my website. You can find the link in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And you can also subscribe right here. And there's another great video that'll help your small business right here.